Hi, it's Vincent Mancini, your Ironman Realtor, with my good buddy, Mr. Licorice. And today we're going to dive into a topic that's close to every family's heart: childproofing your home. As a realtor and a father, I know the importance of creating an environment that's safe for the little ones. So here's our tips. Number one, secure furniture. Anchor heavy furniture like bookshelves and TVs to the wall to prevent tipping accidents. Number two, lock away any hazardous items. Store cleaning products, medications, and sharp objects out of the reach or into locked cabinets. Number three, cover electrical outlets. Invest in outlet covers to prevent little fingers from exploring where they shouldn't. Number four, install safety gates. Use safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs to prevent falls. Number five, protect sharp edges. Cover sharp edges on furniture with corner guards to prevent injuries. And finally, number six, check window safety. Install window guards or locks to prevent falls from open windows. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you need any help at all with real estate, please give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor. I go the distance for you.